In this video, I will show you two ways that you can cancel your FuboTV subscription on your iPhone. So the first way is for if you subscribed via the Apple App Store, which is most common on iPhone. So to use this way, just open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on your Apple ID name at the top of your screen. Then from here click on Subscriptions, and here under Active you will find FuboTV in the list if you subscribed through the App Store. So if it's right here, just going to click on it, for example YouTube, and then from there just click on Cancel Subscription. So that's the first way. If you did not find it right there, just open up Safari and just head over to fubo.tv, so the FuboTV website, and log into your account. Now from there tap on your profile icon and go to the My Account section, and from there under Subscription and Billing, just gonna select Cancel Subscription and then follow the prompts to confirm. So that's two ways to cancel your FuboTV subscription on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.